Hi guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in today's additional, today's additional of the newspaper Thursday, June the 3rd, 2021. I've already solved the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, the binary I have solved, and this one will be the last one, a tectonic with 4 stars. Alright. Let me position the camera. Alright. And this one will be a number 2892. Alright, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 printed digits. Could be an easy one, could be a hard one. Well, yesterday I have a hard one with 14. I need more than 30 minutes to solve because a 4 stars Sudoku or puzzle, I need 30 minutes. 30 minutes or more to solve, yes. So we will see if this is a hard one or a easy one or an easy one. Alright, so let's start with this puzzle, and the first question is, can we see here the single box or single boxes? I see 2 single boxes. Single boxes are always a 1. Then the following question, do we see here the dual boxes here in this puzzle? No dual boxes. I see here only a triple box. And the triple box, you know, this box is important and that box is important because it cannot be 1, 2, or a 3, because I have a 1, 2, and a 3. It contains the 1, 2, and a 3 in the triple box. So 2 numbers left here should be the 4 and the 5. So here 4 and the 5. Here only the 4 and the 5 left, because I cannot fill here the 1, the 2, or 3, because I need a 1 and a 2 and the 3 in one of those 3 boxes. Here are the same. So the 4 and the 5, we have another triple box here. So the 4 or the 5, look, the 4 is already filled in. Here I cannot place a 4 because we already have 4. So I know this box should be a 5. Alright. More triple boxes. No quadra boxes then. Do we have quadra boxes with 4 boxes? No. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes or figures or construction, structure, you name it. For example, the T shape upside down we have here. Let me draw this. Oh, it's out of the... Let me do this here. Okay. Alright. So... Where's my pencil? Yeah. Let me move it over there. Alright. So here we have a T shape upside down. And it's important that you remember that this box has the same number as that box. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. And I see here, I cannot place a 3 here because we have a 3 here. So 2 numbers left because we have a triple box there. 1, 2, and 3. So it cannot be a 3 because if I fill here the 3, this box should be also a 3. So it must be the 1 and the 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and the 2. Okay. And also, that box has the same number as this box. Okay. More T-shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this kind of shape? Here we have one. Remember that this box is the same number as that box. Okay, so this box is the same number as that box. Okay, okay. More of this kind of shape, yeah, upside down. So this box is the same number as that box. More here again. This box is the same number as that box. So it should be a 1. Now I have a 1 here. This box cannot be a 1. It should be a 2. Okay. This box should be also a 2. So 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 3. Let me mark those, otherwise I forget to write it down. All right. Other shape, other figure. How about the L shape, upside down? Remember that this box has the same number as that box. More of the L shapes? No. All right. So those are the 3 figures. There are more figures or shapes that you need to recognize, but in this puzzle only 3 you can use. All right, so let's get started with filling the numbers. All right, let me see. This box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 5, because it's the same area, so 1 digit left should be the 4. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 1. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and the 1, 2 and the 1. Then those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 2 boxes are reserved for the numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. But also that box, this box cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left for the numbers 3 and 2. 2 and 3. 2 and 3. 2 and 3. This box is connected with that box, so we also 2 and 3. Alright. Well, I cannot place a 3 here. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So it must be a 1. This box and this box should be a 3. Now I have a 3 here. So this box is going to be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 2. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 2 numbers left in this L shape, L figure for the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Well. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. This box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Then let me see. Alright. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be a 1, can be a 2, should be a 3, can be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 3. So 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. Let me mark those. 1 and 5. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 1 and 5. Alright. This box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Then those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. But also this box cannot be a 1 because I have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 1. If I fill a 1 here or place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So it must be a 5. Okay. And this box will be also a 5. 1 box left in this area for the number 1. Okay. Those two boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 1. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So it's not the solution to place the 1 here. The 1 should be there. Alright. Let me see. Ooh, this box cannot be a1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Those two boxes cannot be a1. That box cannot be a1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place a 1 here. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. 2 and 1. So it's not a solution to place the 1 here. Let me delete this one. The 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 3. Okay. These two boxes cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. Okay. Those two boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now I have 1 here. So this box cannot be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 2. Okay, I've marked those two boxes with the 1. Now I have a 1 here. So this box cannot be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. 2 boxes left in this T constriction or T shape. T figure. 1, 2, 3. The 4 and the 5 are left. 4 and the 5. Let me mark those two boxes. 4 and the 5. Here also the 4 and the 5 are left in this area. Let me mark those 4 and the 5. Okay. So this box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left. 1, 2, 4. The 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5. Let me mark those two boxes. 3 and the 5. Okay. So now let me see. Those two boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. But also these two boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 and the 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So the other pair should be the 4 and the 5. Let me mark those 4 and the 5. Okay, 2 and the 3. I have 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. I cannot place a 2 here. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 should be there. And the 4 goes here. Oh, right. Now I have a 2 here. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 3. Okay. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Alright. Those two boxes cannot be a 5. So the 5 goes together with the 4 as a pair. Also here, 4 and a 5. Okay. So the other pair should be the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. This box cannot be 4 or 5. We have a 4 and a 5 there. Cannot be a 3. Cannot be a 1. So 1 digit left should be a 2. Alright. This box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. This box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Now we have a pair, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 1 box left in this W area shape for the number 5. Alright. 4 and a 5. Now we have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright. 4 and a 5. 3 and a 5. Okay. 4 and a 5. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Cannot be a 3. Cannot be a 4. Cannot be 5. Yes, definitely a 2. Well, one box left. I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 should be here because we have a 1 over there, so those 2 boxes can be 1. 1, 2, 5, so 2 boxes left. The 3 and the 4. 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. That means that those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. That box cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Alright, now I have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 4, and this box should be a 3. Alright, I've marked those 2 boxes with a 3. Now I have a 3 there, so this box cannot be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left. Let me continue. 4, 5. This box cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 3. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 should be there. 1 box left in this W-shaped area for the number 5. Now I have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. This box should be a 4. Now I have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 4. I think this box should be a 1 because it cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 1. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this area for the number 2. We go back to this area. 1, 3, 4, so 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 5 are missing. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 4. We see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finished in 18 minutes almost. Yes, 18 minutes. I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. A playlist for the tectonics, playlist for the binaries, playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, the 4 stars, heavy Sudokus, light Sudokus, killer Sudokus, quintuplets, all kind of Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just subscribe to my channel and you find them all. Alright? Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great day. Have a fantastic Thursday, and we will meet again tomorrow on a Friday. See you then. Bye bye for now.